Hi everyone, so we're going to be looking at capital letters today, and we're going to start with the straight line group, which, as you can probably imagine, is called that because all these capital letters have straight lines. Now personally, I think that capital letters are the easiest to write because we can see that they use the whole line, and when you're doing it on handwriting paper it's great because you can use that middle part to help you do some of the lines as well. But it's just much easier than having to kind of guess where the middle of the line is. So let's get started. The first one is our I. So we have I, L, E, F, H and T in our straight letter group. For I, we're going to make sure I'm sat properly and that I'm holding my pen correctly, or my pencil correctly. I'm going to go straight down and then across the top, across at the bottom. Make sure that top line and that bottom line sit on the top and the bottom of the writing line. So that one actually probably wasn't my best one. And then I can keep going through. My eyes. The next letter is L. So you're going to use the same straight down like you do with the I. And then when you get to the bottom, you're just going to go across. So straight down and across. You'll notice I'm not actually taking my pen off the paper for that. I'm keeping it in that corner and then carrying it on across. Now when we get to the capital E, you can actually use the L way of writing to help you write the E. So you go down and across like you're doing an L, then you go back and do the middle part, and then finally you go back and finish off that top part. So I know some of you do it where you start at the top, or maybe you kind of do like a square shaped C and then do it. But do the L shape, across, across, L shape, across, across. Now, just to be confusing, with F we don't do that because even though F kind of looks like an E, we actually go back to the top for this one. So you do your straight line down, like in the I, then you go across, across. So it is a slightly different one from the E. So straight down, across, across. Moving on to H, nice and easy, down, down and across, down, down and across. That one's actually not very good because I've not met up with my two lines. Make sure you're meeting up on both sides. And then finally T, we just go straight down and across at the top. Straight down, across at the top, straight down, across the top. And then as always, if you want, you can have a go at writing them in a pattern, seeing if you can remember the correct way of forming them. I'll do one more, so I, L, E, H, and T. And there you have it. That's the straight line capital letters family group.